Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to redeem eBay gift card. So first you need to open the browser and open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in ebay.com. Press enter. This will direct you to the official eBay homepage. There you need to get logged in into your account. Here you can see I am already logged in into my eBay account. Once you are signed in, all you need to do is select a product that you would like to buy. You can buy the product from the home screen or you can search for the particular product that you want to order from eBay. Here I'm just gonna go and click on random product for the order. Once you order the product, you will be able to redeem the gift card. I'm just gonna click upon this. There you choose your option of color, quantity, and then you need to click on buy it now. After you reach to the checkout page, scroll all the way down and enter the gift code over here at the empty text box. There you enter the gift card coupons or the eBay box code or the scratch off your gift code at the back of your gift card and enter the code right here in the text box. After you're done entering the code, you can click on apply. Now any balance remaining will stay on the card for your next eBay purchase. This is how you can redeem your gift card on eBay. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.